Girl, you need to get some of my cooking in your life. When I go out frogging, I catch crayfish too. Because I do it all at night and I just go out with a flashlight and a gig and a bucket. And I just got a really nice gig, so I'm going to be going out a lot this summer. And your dad's going to think I'm the best guy in the world. Let him know I have an excess of venison I'm trying to get rid of. I average killing like 5 or 6 deer every season.
Why didn't you tell me that?
I just did.
Hey, well, I want it.
Okay. I can only eat so much. Let's just catch up with them and then wait. Try to get all 3 kayaks together so I can get some footage of that. Dustin Parks. I've heard that name, but I don't know him. Like, I couldn't picture his face. I know a lot of people. I might know a different person with the same name. I don't know a lot of people at COD. Like, if I know his name, it's because I've sold him drugs. Then it's a different guy. Definitely gonna have to edit that part out. Yeah, but I don't post that shit on fucking Facebook or whatever. Like, Marco knows that I smoke. I fucking told Marco. Like, Marco knows I come into class high all the time. I just promised him that I would be sober the whole trip. It's the only promise I gave him that I actually kept. I haven't impregnated the student either. Hey! Hey, you two. Wait up. Chubby and Fluffy, wait up. I'm gonna grab that tree and just hold on to it. Girls! Fuck it. Homies for life. She's been working hard. Let me get my tan on. Let's get these bleach blonde legs. Hell yeah. Don't turn around, you might see something you don't want to. What are you looking at? You like these white legs? Yeah, we're going through the rapids. Fuck it. Fuck it, we're going through the rapids. Oh hell yeah, this is about to be fun. We're gonna turn though so we don't hit that branch. Fish just jumped right there, you see that? Yeah, right there in front of you, see the swirl? Well, it was right here. Right there. difference between rocky bottoms and sand bottoms. Smooth water, rapid water. Rocky bottom, sandy bottom. Anything you want to know, just ask. I'll probably know the answer. Why or what? Where are you seeing these bubbles? These white things are not bubbles. No, this is this is decaying seaweed. Yeah. Decaying plant matter. Whether it be from the seeds that fall out of the earth trees or whether it be from the plants that are dying underneath us, this is just decaying plant matter. Like these, those are bubbles. But the rest of this, not bubbles. Now it may look like bubbles because there's air pockets in it because it is in fact decaying matter, but that's just a part of decay. You see those two things right there? That's a natural spring. That's water shooting up into the river from underground. Yeah. Turtle, turtle, turtle. Am I turtly enough for a turtle club? Are they both in front of us? What the hell happened? They caught the current, that's how. We were kind of chilling in the soft water. I'm trying to counter you. If you start paddling, I'll just match your pace. Yeah, this video's been on the whole time. Yeah, just screenshot it. Girls. You hear me? I want to get all three of the boats together on the camera. We'll catch up to you. Just give us a second. Brakes on. Turtles! Wow, look at the color of that shell. All the turtles, just like all the squirrels. Oh, he's already gone. Never mind. Alright, there we go. I almost got both of them in one shot. What up, what up? Lazy River, y'all. This is so much better than the lazy river at Waterworks. Are you shitting me? This is amazing. I would have come on a vacation to do this all day, every day. Really? Oh yeah. Well, I would have sat there and waited even if you guys went back. No, I would have left you. There we go. We are family. I got all my classmates and me. I see him.
8 turtles.
8 Tuttles. It's a total of 8 Tuttles. Aqua Tuttle. Aqua Tuttle babies. Bow, bow, da-na-na. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na. Tuttles. I like Tuttle soup. What? Oh my god, turtle is amazing. It's like the softest food in the world. It's like naturally tender beyond anything you've ever eaten. Except those chicken tenders that we had the other day. Those are pretty fucking tender. That's what happens when you get some fresh, natural chicken. Not that Tyson chicken from Jewel. Let's talk about animal cruelty for a minute. I just showered. Fuck it.